This segment brought to you by Kansas Farm Bureau, the voice of agriculture. To join today or more information, go to kfb.org or find us on Facebook and Twitter.
Welcome back to Farm Factor and this week's Kansas Farm Bureau update.
The tax reform plan coming out of Congress makes major changes to the tax code. Pat Wolff, AFBF Senior Director of Congressional Relations, says Farm Bureau is reviewing the plan to ensure the effective tax rate lessens the tax burden for America's farmers and ranchers.
Right now, farms pay taxes under the individual tax code, which has rates as high as 39%. There's going to be a new special rate just for businesses that will cap out at 25%. We're studying it now. We don't know if it will be good or bad for farmers in the end because farmers are being asked to give up a lot of deductions that they have for that new rate.
Wolff calls it a bold proposal that she expects to move through Congress quickly. The bill would extend provisions critical to agriculture in addition to repealing the estate tax, a reform Farm Bureau has long called for.
Now, it doesn't do that right away. That's 6 years out, but it does double the exemptions starting next year, and that will help a lot of farmers and ranchers. The bill continues the deduction for business interests. That's something that was under attack, and it allows farmers to continue to use cash accounting. This is important because if farmers and ranchers don't have these tools, they could end up with a tax increase.
Wolff says tax reform done right means that farmers and ranchers get to keep more of their hard-earned money. The tax reform plan is on a fast track for passage. Wolff says the big question is whether the new tax code will result in lower taxes for farmers and ranchers.
The big question of the day is, will the end result be a tax cut for farmers and ranchers? Yes, there's a new lower business rate being proposed, but there are a lot of changes to the tax deductions and credits that farmers use. In the end, the bill should only be passed into law if it's a benefit for farmers and ranchers.
Chad Smith, Washington.
Stay with us. We'll be back after the break with Plain Talk.
I'm Sarah, and this is my husband, Travis. We both grew up working on family ranches, me in Northern California and Travis in Kansas. We met in college, got married, and took corporate jobs in the beef industry. But soon we realized we missed the production side of the industry.
So we made the daring move to start our own cattle business in southeast Kansas, while also starting our family.
Watch our story and the stories of other young Kansas food producers at kansaslivingmagazine.com/meetafarmer.